Problem number 1. At Nordic High School, 60% of the students cross-country ski, 40% of the students play hockey, and 30% of the cross-country skiers also play hockey. Of the students who don't play hockey, what percent cross-country ski? Well, the first thing I would recommend that you do with this problem is organize the information that you're given. And this is a perfect problem for a Venn diagram. I don't know if you've heard of Venn diagrams before. Diagram. But it's a good way to organize information like this. So let's draw a circle, and that's going to represent the set of all the students who cross-country ski. So I'll say cross-country country ski. Okay. And then we'll draw another circle to represent the students who play hockey. So these are the ones who play hockey. Okay. And we have some students who play hockey but don't cross-country ski, and those would be represented in this part of the circle here. We have some students who cross-country ski but don't play hockey, and those would be over in this area. And then we have some kids who overlap. Okay, so we have some students who do both. They cross-country ski and they play hockey. Okay, and then we've just got the set of all students, right? So we have some students probably who don't do either one of these things. All right, so this is the set of all students, the box here around both of them. So some kids cross-country ski, some play hockey, some do both, and then there are some that are outside both of those sets. So let's record the information that we're given, first of all. And we're given information in terms of percentage. So let's take a convenient number, like 100, and let's say that there are 100 kids in Nordic High School. Okay, I'm going to write it on the line. So that tells me that that the total number of kids or students at Nordic High School is 100. Okay, there might be more. There might be 200, 300, 350. Who knows? There might be 1,000 kids at Nordic High School. But I'm just going to choose a convenient number because everything is given in terms of percentage. Okay, and then what we're looking for is also a percentage. So 100 is just a nice one to work with if you're dealing with 100 or with percentage, because this is the number out of 100, right? So 60% is 60 out of 100, and it says 60% of the students cross-country ski, so we'll write 60. So if there were 100 students at Nordic High School, then 60 of them cross-country ski, and 40 of them would play hockey. Okay, that's the set of all of the kids who play hockey. And then some of them do both. And what does it say? It says 30%, but not of the whole student body, it's just of the cross-country skiers. So 30% of the cross-country skiers also play hockey. So what's 30% of 60? So we can take 60 times 30 over 100, essentially, right? So that will just give us 18, right? So 18 kids. If there were 100 kids at Nordic High School, 18 of them would play hockey. Or sorry, would play hockey and cross-country ski. Okay, so they would be in this set that this area that overlaps. Okay. So now that we've figured that out, we can figure out that there must be 42 kids who cross-country ski but not play hockey. And we could figure out that there are 22 kids who play hockey but don't cross-country ski. Okay, so you can see how I got that. 42 and 18 is 60. So this would be the 60% that, between the two, these two regions, they make up the 60% of that cross-country ski. And over here, you have 18 and 22, that makes it 40, which is the 40% that play hockey. Okay? All right, and then we have some kids out here that don't do either. All right, so what's that? So we have 42, 18, and 22. So that comes to 82, right? So this represents 82% of the kids right here between these two sets, okay? Because 18 over the overlap. And so what do we have left over? We had 82, so that means we have 18 that don't do either. All right? And now let's take a look at how many students don't play hockey, but they do cross-country ski. So we're looking at this 42 here. So 42% of all of the students cross-country ski but don't play hockey. But they're not asking for that. They're asking of what's the percent of those who don't play hockey, what percent don't cross-country ski. Okay, so we're looking at for the total, so we're looking at, okay, of those who don't play hockey, so we're looking at 42 out of 60. So of the students who don't cross-country ski, what percent, sorry, of the students who don't play hockey, what percent cross-country ski? Okay, so that's this 42 region here. So we have essentially 42 out of 60, which is equal to, what, 7 out of 10, right? If we just divide both of those by 6. And 7 out of 10, that's equal to 70 out of 100. And that is just 70%. So 70% of the students who don't play hockey cross-country ski. Okay? Makes sense? So basically we're taking 42 is the number of kids who cross-country ski but don't play hockey, and the total number of kids who don't play hockey is this 42 plus 18, which is 60. Okay? Right? So actually I could have written this as 42 plus 18, and you know, it's these kids don't play hockey and these kids don't play hockey, so that makes a total of 60%. All right? So there you go. There's the answer, 70%.